Okay, Chris, here we go. Test. Just hooked up the wire. Got that all tuned in. See what happens. There we go. Hey guys, Lee here. Just a quick update on the AJE install. Got the Cougar off the lift. Now, as you might have heard, I lost my phone that I had all the video on from the last, basically the last part of the install to show you guys. And yeah, I lost all the videos. I lost about 45 minutes, hour worth of video on there. So I wasn't able to upload anything until I got a new phone. So anyways, we now have the car basically done with the AJE install. We're going to do another video a little bit later doing the alignment, showing you the caster camber and all that stuff. So, you know, stay tuned for that. And you can see the car behind me. We've started doing the Holley Sniper install. Now we got the motor in. And I'll give you a quick tour, but this is just going to be a short sort of video. Until we do the next one. But I'll show you what we're doing right now. Okay guys, so as you can see, we got the car down off the lift. The stance looks awesome on the front, as we'll show you. Stand back a little bit. Front fender's not quite aligned because it's just sitting on there for the bodywork portion, but I sat it on there just to sort of see, you know, what it looks like. And stance is really good. Pretty happy with that. So we'll just go over, show you a little bit more of the car anyways. So we got the motor back in. We got to clean up a lot of wiring, stuff like that. As you can see, shock towers, we're all done. Let's see what we did there. There's the bolts, freshly painted. Well, you know, sort of a rough black paint, I guess. But you can see there's the shock towers. And we got the master cylinder. There's a steering shaft coming down. You can't really see too much there, but got a bearing retainer, bearing pushed on, a clamp there just to sort of clamp around the bearing as well, just to keep it nice and tight. That way there's no slop. And there's the U-joint. So we got the engine in. It's a little dirty. Like I say, we got to do some wire cleanup. Distributors coming off. We have the Holley dual sync EFI distributor, sorry. And if you can see down here, you'll see there's the plug-in that's going to go for the new distributor, and the Holley Sniper is down under there. So it's kind of nice. Looks like a carb, but fires up in a heartbeat. Only problem is this manifold only has one water port, which is a bit of a pain because I have a digital dash that requires another port. The cooling fan, electric cooling fan, will be run off of the Holley Sniper. That's another part that comes off of this. But yeah, anyways, so I've got to figure out something to do there, whether I'm able to tee in and put another sensor in there. We'll see. Anyways, batteries in. Again, wiring's just as it is right now for sort of mock-up and testing. But there's the other shock tower, as you can see, nice and clean. A little bit of some body issues still we got to do on the car, but you can see my wiring mess at the moment. But yeah, these prone issues, as everybody knows, so got to cut that patch out. But and also got to complete the inner side of the wheel wells, which they kind of look nasty now from sitting. But anyways, that's what she looks like. There she is. And can't really see too much, but there she is there. And maybe what we'll do is I'll give you a quick fire up with this Holley Sniper. Now, again, this is just the original Durspark ignition distributor. It does have the updated Pertronics in it, so it is a decent distributor. It'll last for a while. Just looks kind of ugly. And with the Holley Sniper EFI kit, it's kind of nice because you can control your timing and everything electronically through the computer with the EFI with the Holley Sniper. So let's go into the car. I'll show you how easy it is to fire up. Now I'm just running the fuel pump from that comes with the Holley Sniper Master Kit. We will be doing an in-tank pump because they're just bloody loud. But anyways, so we'll turn on the ignition. And you can hear the fuel pump. But that's also because I have no interior, no nothing in the car too. So yeah, there's the gauges, as you can see, pretty cool. There's your turn signal, left and right. Gives you your fuel, your oil. The volt one I gotta plug in. Yeah, and there's the dash. And here's the Holley Sniper. So you'll just see, I'll turn the key. Oops, gotta put it in the park. Yeah, I don't want to run it too long though, because I don't have the distributor in the exact right spot, as you can tell from the starting pump, part of it. But anyways, and for some reason when I took the engine out now, my what do you call it, to be able to not start the car when it's in gear, for some reason is not working. I have to put it into neutral. It won't go into park and start. Anyways, so yeah, there we go. That's it for now. We'll come back a little later and give you better detail of what's going on.